This is a project based on wireless electricity transfer. This project works on the principle of electromagnetic induction (EMI). At first, the AC supply is given to the transformer which step down the AC to 12012 AC. Then 120 line is fed to a bridge rectifier to convert it into a DC supply, and 12 line is fed to another bridge rectifier circuit to convert it into DC supply. The rectifier circuit converts the AC into pulsating DC, that is, the DC contains ripples. So to remove those ripples, we use filter circuit in this power supply circuit. The capacitor acts as a filter which removes all the ripples. In this project, we are using positive DC supply of 12 and 24 volts. The 12 volt DC is fed to an A-stable 555 clock working at a frequency of 1.44 Hz, and the 24 volt DC is fed to the another 555 A-stable clock operating at a frequency of 30 kHz. The LED connected to the A-stable clock working at lower frequency blinks at regular intervals of time, but it seems like that the LED connecting to a stable clock working at a higher frequency does not blink at a regular interval of time, although the LED is blinking at a very fast rate. As you can see, when we apply AC voltage, the LEDs are on the A-stable mode, and the input of 555 timer goes to L293D IC, that is here. Uh, an, an LC resonating circuit is connected to the output of this IC, and that coil receives a DC supply of 24 volts, and then due to principle of electromagnetic induction, the DC flowing through the coil is converting to the AC. As you can see, when we place the coil of LC tank circuit in the transmitter LC tank circuit, the LEDs glows. That is, an analog current is produced between the two coils, and wireless electricity transfer produces. As you can see, the range of the LED from the transmitter coil is increases through the potentiometer attached to the A-stable. Here we can see we can increase the limit of the distance between the two coils with the increase in the resistance in the potentiometer attached to the 555 timer. As you can see, the distance between these two coils is approximately 30 centimeter. If we go through the further modification in this project, we can increase this limit in applying for further processes. Here our whole project completes as wireless electricity transfer produces.